Assessing writing using self-assessment. Self-assessment is used to assess writing in a primary school classroom. Students take ownership of this assessment as they reflect and evaluate their own writing, generating data which is used by the teacher for assessment purposes. Students use self-assessment to assess their writing during the planning, editing, drafting and publishing process. This style of assessment is non-threatening and generally leads to students improving their overall writing ability. They are able to judge what they have learnt, look at the elements that meet the criteria, and establish elements that need to be focused on. Self-assessment requires active participation from the student. They are provided with instant feedback when conducting a self-assessment. Based on the feedback, students form and reassess their learning goals and action the feedback. This style of assessment is known as formative assessment. To generate usable data and support students throughout the self-assessment process, checklists, reflections, and rubric assessment tools are used. In conjunction, teachers facilitate and scaffold students through the process. In particular, rubrics help students understand what is expected of them and make judgments of their work. Teachers use data obtained from self-assessments to provide insight into how students think and respond to their learning. They also receive data specific to students' writing. Teachers can use this data to both inform their teaching practice and direct individual student learning needs. Click on the Critical Analysis link in the Padlet to explore the benefits and limitations of self-assessment as a writing assessment and compare and contrast it with NAPLAN and writing portfolios.